What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a visualizer for your beats or your songs in FL Studio in 5 minutes or less. So let's get right into it. Alright, so what you're going to want to do is whatever beat you're choosing, whatever you have finished, you're trying to upload, YouTube, whatever it may be, you just grab it here, and in your master channel, you just want to go wherever you have the visual. There's a you might have to search for it, but there's a visual tag and you can go to that, and it's Z Game Editor Visualizer. So click on that. I got my beat loaded up and ready. There's a few different ways you can use this one, but easiest way is by clicking the wizard button. So this would be this guy right here. So click that, and then there's already a GIF loaded up from whatever my last beat was on YouTube. You can check in the description of this video of whatever the last one was, or maybe find this one. Just look for the picture. But pretty much you can go change the name, change your author. So usually what I'll do is, so we'll just name this test, and then author, do prod DeadStxrr, or obviously whatever your producer name is, producer tag. Alright, so then, and usually for this bottom one where it says comment, I'll put free for non-profit. Download link in description. And obviously that's only if it's a free type beat or whatever it might be. You have a free download for it, download link. If it's anything else, you can put like purchase link in description, whatever. You can put the type beat that it is. It's really up to you. But so after that, you can go here, and if you want, you can go through all of FL's pre-listed like backgrounds. So they're right here. They have presets for each type of visual, and there's a ton of different ones, so you can definitely get in here and play around with them. But I won't go too in depth with that since they're presets, so you can just kind of stumble upon those yourself. But if you want to make one into your own, you can hit this button right here, browse, if you have a GIF already loaded up and ready. So you can just kind of go over, I'll just click random one, and boom, you have this guy right here. Or you can click find media online, and it'll use a certain search engine to pretty much find a GIF for you. But it might take a minute to load up, so I might cut it here for a second until it's fully loaded. Alright, so we got it all loaded up, ready to go. So in this tab, you can search whatever. You can say forest. Give you a bunch of different pictures and etc. of foresty type of stuff. Or you can hit video, do the same thing. So you can make these as well for your visualizer. But so you can also move these around. So you can make them bigger, smaller, whatever. Move it around. And as well as change the process of it, so give it different backgrounds. This isn't the best one to choose for it, so I'll just click a random visualizer real quick from the presets on FL Studio, and then we can kind of cycle through these. So you get like the old TV VCR kind of deal, skew for the sides. So really a bunch of different options you can choose from. You can also change the foreground here, so I'll play it for a second just so you can see what this looks like. So there's really a ton you can choose from as far as those go. You can see the list is pretty big as well. Same for the font of the entire thing. So there's a ton of different fonts you can choose, and they're all ranged for different sounds, etc. Whatever vibe you're kind of going for in your beat, song, whatever it may be. You can really just do whatever you want in here, and then whenever you want to go and export it, hit continue to render, and then wherever you want to export it to, hit browse. You can make it whatever preset for any certain platform. If you want to do YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Spotify, Canvas, and then just hit OK and start. And then there you go. Wait for it to export and it'll be in your files. So that was how to make a visualizer for your beats or songs in FL Studio in 5 minutes or less. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more. This hoodie I'm wearing, you can go to the description or link in my bio, and you can go to my merch. It's on my Etsy. You can get a shirt or a hoodie just like this. Plenty of other options to choose from, different logos, different designs, other stuff. So go ahead, check it out. Hit that link in my bio, in my description. DeadStxrr by DeadStxrr. Till next time.